Hello YouTube, this is a nighttime test of my CANgage Micro that I finished for a customer, and it's been sitting on my dashboard, and I would say it's almost as good as a heads-up display without the hassle of a heads-up display. So it is in your view, but it's not blocking your view because it's not that big, but yet big enough to be read easily, of course. And I never thought it would be this good on the dashboard. I have mine here, not connected right now, as you see. And anyhow, this is real nice. It's not glued down, it's just sitting there on the desk. I'm driving slowly, as you can see on my speed, and I'm shaking all because I have a lowered car. So anyhow, this is my CANgage Micro. You can get it on Tindy, in my Tindy store. I'm not going through the screens right now as I'm holding my hand, with one hand the phone and the other steering wheel, obviously. So anyhow, this is it, and I see you later. Take care, YouTube.